Hey, everybody! Did you know it takes just a blink of an eye, like 3 seconds, for someone to form an opinion about you? 3 seconds! That's barely enough time to say hashtag awkward first impression. But hey, don't stress, because tonight we're talking about how to make those first impressions awesome. We've got 6 sneaky tricks to make people instantly like you. These are good. They're practically magic. Get ready to take notes, people. We've all been there, right? You walk into a room, maybe it's a party or a networking event, and you just want to click with people. But sometimes it feels like there's this invisible wall, right? Like you're trying to high-five a hologram. It's awkward. And then that little voice in your head starts up. Why is everyone else so cool? Do I have spinach in my teeth? Is that a stain on my shirt? It's the worst. But hold on, my friends, because I'm here to tell you that being likable is a skill you can totally master. It's all about sending the right signals. And luckily, I've got the cheat codes. First up, let's talk about the simplest yet most powerful tool in your arsenal, the smile. A smile can light up a room, change the atmosphere, and even make someone's day. It's a small gesture that carries immense power. But not just any smile, we're talking about a genuine, heartfelt smile, the kind that comes from deep within and reflects true happiness and warmth. It's the difference between a polite grin and a smile that can melt hearts. You know the one where your eyes crinkle a little and you can practically feel the good vibes radiating off of you. This type of smile is contagious. It spreads joy and positivity to everyone around you. Think of it like this. A genuine smile is like a warm hug for your face. It's comforting, inviting, and it can make others feel at ease. It's a simple way to show that you care and that you're approachable. It instantly makes you more approachable and trustworthy. People are naturally drawn to those who smile genuinely because it signals friendliness and openness. It's a universal sign of goodwill. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jimmy. My smile is about as convincing as a rubber chicken. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people struggle with smiling genuinely, especially in social situations. But trust me, anyone can master the art of the genuine smile. It just takes a little practice and the right mindset. Start by practicing in front of a mirror. Observe how your face changes with different types of smiles. Think of something that makes you happy, like winning a year's supply of pizza, whatever works. The key is to find a thought or memory that genuinely brings you joy. This will help your smile appear more natural and heartfelt. Remember, a smile is the universal language of kindness, and kindness is always in style. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with others and spread positivity. So go ahead. Unleash your pearly whites and make the world a brighter place, one smile at a time. Smiling can also have a profound impact on your own well-being. Studies have shown that the act of smiling can release endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. So not only are you making others feel good, but you're also boosting your own happiness. Incorporate smiling into your daily routine. Whether you're at work, at home, or out and about, make a conscious effort to smile more. You'll be surprised at how it can transform your interactions and your overall outlook on life. And don't forget, a smile can be a powerful tool in overcoming challenges. When faced with difficult situations, a smile can help you stay positive and resilient. It can also inspire those around you to adopt a similar attitude. So the next time you're feeling down or stressed, try smiling. It might feel forced at first, but soon enough you'll start to feel the genuine effects. Your smile can be a beacon of hope and positivity, both for yourself and for others. In conclusion, never underestimate the power of a genuine smile. It's a simple yet effective way to spread joy, build connections, and improve your own well-being. So go ahead, unleash your pearly whites and let your smile shine bright. All right, trick number 2 is all about remembering that everyone's favorite word is their own name. It's a simple yet powerful tool in the art of communication. Seriously, using someone's name in conversation is like a magic spell that instantly makes them feel special and acknowledged. It's a way to show that you care enough to remember who they are. It's like you're saying, "Hey, I see you, I value you, and I definitely don't think you're just a random face in the crowd." This small gesture can make a huge difference in how people perceive you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, I'm terrible with names. Trust me, you're not alone in this. Many people struggle with remembering names. I once forgot my own dog's name for a solid minute. It happens to the best of us. But don't let that discourage you. Don't worry, we've all been there. The important thing is to make an effort. People appreciate the attempt, even if you don't get it right every time. The key is to be present and pay attention when you first meet someone. Focus on their name and try to associate it with something memorable about them. Repeat their name back to them. This not only helps you remember, but also reinforces that you are paying attention. Use it naturally throughout the conversation. The more you use it, the more likely it is to stick in your memory. And if you do happen to forget, don't be afraid to ask again. It's perfectly okay to admit that you need a reminder. It's way better to admit you forgot than to awkwardly avoid using their name altogether. People are generally understanding and will appreciate your honesty. Another helpful tip is to write down names after meeting new people. You can jot them down in a notebook or set a reminder on your phone. This can be especially useful if you're meeting a lot of new people at once. You can also use mnemonic devices to help remember names. For example, if you meet someone named Rose, you might picture a rose flower. Associating names with visual images can make them easier to recall. Practice makes perfect. Take some time to practice names you've recently learned. Repeat them out loud or in your head. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Over time, you'll find that remembering names becomes second nature. You'll feel more confident in social situations, and people will appreciate the effort you put into remembering their names. So give it a try. Start using people's names more often in your conversations. You'll be surprised at how much of a positive impact it can have on your interactions and relationships. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest difference. Using someone's name is a small gesture, but it can create a big connection. So go ahead, make someone's day by simply remembering their name. Chapter 4, trick number 3, monkey see, monkey do, subtly. Okay, this next trick is called mirroring, and no, it's not about staring at your reflection and practicing your best blue steel. Mirroring is about subtly reflecting the other person's body language. It's a powerful tool in social interactions, helping to build rapport and create a sense of connection. Think about it. When two people are on the same wavelength, they tend to move in sync, right? This natural synchronization is a sign of mutual understanding and comfort, like when you're watching a movie with your best friend and you both reach for the popcorn at the same time. It's almost like your minds are connected, anticipating each other's actions. It's like you're connected by some invisible force field of friendship. This kind of connection can be fostered through the subtle art of mirroring. Now, the key here is subtlety. You don't want to be obvious or mechanical about it. The goal is to create a natural flow of interaction. Don't go full-on copycat, that's just creepy. Overdoing it can make the other person uncomfortable and break the connection you're trying to build. Just try to subtly match their energy and posture. Pay attention to their movements and gestures and reflect them in a way that feels natural to you. If they're leaning in, you lean in. This shows that you're engaged and interested in what they're saying. If they're using their hands a lot, you use your hands a lot. This creates a sense of harmony and mutual understanding. It's like you're speaking their language without saying a word. Mirroring can be a subtle yet powerful way to enhance your social interactions and build stronger connections with others. When done right, mirroring can make conversations flow more smoothly and make the other person feel more comfortable and understood. It's a technique that can be used in various settings, from casual hangouts with friends to professional meetings. By mirroring, you're showing that you're actively engaged and present in the conversation. This can lead to more meaningful and productive interactions. So next time you're in a conversation, try to subtly mirror the other person's body language. You might be surprised at how much it can enhance your connection and communication. Remember, it's all about subtlety and naturalness. With practice, mirroring can become a seamless part of your social toolkit, helping you build stronger and more meaningful relationships. Chapter 5. Trick number 4. Be interested, not just interesting. Here's the thing, folks. Everyone wants to feel like they matter, right? So one of the best ways to make someone like you is to genuinely be interested in them. And I'm not talking about fake interest, like when you pretend to care about your friend's boring story about their cat's latest hairball incident. I'm talking about real, genuine curiosity. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively to their answers, and show that you're engaged in the conversation. Remember, people love to talk about themselves, so let them. Be a good listener, and I promise you, they'll walk away thinking you're the most fascinating person they've ever met. Chapter 6, the game changer. All right, folks, we've covered a lot of ground, but This last trick is the real game changer. It's so simple yet so powerful, and it all comes down to one word: validation. Everyone wants to feel heard, understood, and validated. So when you can acknowledge someone's feelings, even if you don't necessarily agree with them, you're creating a deep sense of connection. It's like you're saying, "Hey, I see where you're coming from, I get it." And that, my friends, is a powerful thing. So the next time you're interacting with someone, make an effort to validate their feelings. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can transform your relationships. Outro: go forth and be likable. So there you have it, folks. 6 sneaky tricks to make anyone like you instantly. Remember, it's all about being genuine, showing interest, and making people feel good about themselves. Now, I want to hear from you. Which trick are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're looking for more awesome tips on social skills and confidence building, be sure to check out my other videos. Until next time, stay awesome.